Hey, good afternoon guys, welcome to the channel. This is my first video, kind of nervous, never done this before, but you know, I've seen a couple guys do it and I really enjoy and I like to see you know, what they've done. I've always been a Mustang enthusiast ever since high school. I've had a 97 Mustang V6, a 2002 Mustang V6. I purchased a 2004 Mustang GT. Recently, I just purchased a 2013 Mustang GT, all black, has a couple of mods on it, and I just love the way Mustangs have always been. So, on today's video, it's pretty much a simple DIY. When I purchased the 2013 Mustang, it was missing the side emblems, you know, the 5.0, and normally it's chrome. You know, not really a fan of the chrome color. I like the whole black on black look. So I purchased the emblems from eBay. Bruh. Cost me 13 bucks, but it's pretty much how the saying goes. You pay what you get for it, you know? So didn't really like the look. So I just went ahead and purchased these from American Muscle, which came in today. Really excited about it. You know, just block out my address there. You know, they look really nice. They're their matte black version. They also have the glossy black, but these are really sick. As you can see, you know, they have the adhesive right there. It would make the emblem look very flush, not compared to the other ones that you can see the white strip from the, you know, from the ones from eBay. What you're gonna need, it's really simple. You're gonna need a heat gun. You know, this, you know, one like this, so that you can melt the adhesive, the glue from the car. A simple fishing line, just, you know, about this height, so that you can go ahead and take it off. A goof off, which would remove the adhesive from the old emblem, and microfiber, so you can go ahead and clean the surface once you've already removed the emblem. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this video outside. All right, we are outside. Here's the Mustang, 2013 Mustang GT. It's a black on black edition, like I said. So as you can see here, the logo, I'm not sure if the camera can tell, but you see the white adhesive. That's from the one from eBay. Definitely, it's not a good look. It doesn't make the car look aggressive. So, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and put the ones from American Muscle. Cost around 30 bucks for both of them. And hopefully these will make the car look better. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and heat up the emblem. These are metal, so shouldn't really be an issue, but just heat it up. Then you're gonna take your fish line, you're gonna go ahead and pass it through the adhesive slowly. You heat up some more, and then, you know, until you get to the end, and then that's when you're gonna go ahead and clean the surface with the goo off to go ahead and take off the remaining adhesive. And of course, as I mentioned, with the microfiber, you'll be able to, you know, clean off the surface completely and then just put on the new one. And that's pretty much it, guys. So let's go ahead and jump onto this. Back, guys. So I kind of figured out that it was much easier just to like take it off with your finger. I guess since these, you know, this adhesive and this emblem was from the, like I said, mentioned earlier, were the ones from eBay. It was pretty cheap material, so it was kind of, you know, easier just to heat it up with the heat gun and just take it off with your finger. My brother was helping me, you know, hold the gun for me while I was taking it off with my finger. So as you can see, I'll just wipe it down for you a bit. As you can see, I'm not sure if the camera can show you perfectly, but you can see the outline a bit for 5.0. This is the same outline that we're going to use as a guide in order to put the new ones on there. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to use our glue off, spray it a bit, and pretty much just wipe it down with your microfiber. Now we tape off a new one. This one should go like this, right? Right? Is that straight? Yeah. Yeah. All right. There you go, guys. Much cleaner look, much cleaner, very satisfied, very aggressive. Don't have that white adhesive as I showed you earlier. It's just very nice overall, and I think American Muscle did a great job on this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. The other side is pretty you know, self-explanatory. Do the same thing, heat it up. You can take it off either with your finger if it's that cheap adhesive, and if it's the original emblem you're taking off, definitely use the fishing line. I've seen a lot of people and other YouTubers that they do it with the fishing line. The first time I took off these, the original ones, I definitely did it with the fishing line. But yeah, that's pretty much another do-it-yourself. You know, if any questions, you can also just leave me a comment, like and subscribe. You can also share it. I'll definitely appreciate it. Like I said, it's my first video, and I'll try to keep up and bring in more content to you guys. Thank you once again. Appreciate it. Have a good one.